How to enable pin in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize and make it more secure. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here on the bottom, simply tap on settings. Now, we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find an option called pin. Simply tap on pin, and here there are two different options. Either you can add a pin or your fingerprint. Now simply tap on the one that you want to enter or choose. So after you do that, tap on continue and enter the pin that you want to add into. At last, simply confirm it and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.